Aloha, I'm BJ Cantiberos, and I'll be singing ʻāina o ʻāina i pono by Dennis Pāwao. Oh hunaha, the brother is gone, and he must carry on, sharing the mana'o with the people that we sing to. Every time we kanikapila, we just go on and on, singing love, the ʻāina and the aloha that is gonna be gone. Oh, one day the brother told me, come on, let's make a band. We might lose everything we got, but hopefully not the land. Then the brothers and sisters sang along till everybody knew that song. Ua mau kea o ka ʻāina i ka pono, o ni pa'a ua mau ke ea i ka ʻāina i nā ʻōpio. We started to jam at a one-night stand, the brother and I in the band. And this morning as I was waking up by the knock on the door from a friend, he said the brother is gone, he's gone for good. I didn't know that he would. Like the ali'i, he was a brave young man, but I didn't get to talk to the man. Then the brothers and sisters sang along till everybody knew that song. Ua mau kea i ka ʻāina i ka pono, o ni pa'a ua mau ke ea i ka ʻāina i nā ʻōpio. Ua mau ke ea i ka ʻāina i ka pono, o ni pa'a ua mau ke ea o ka ʻāina i nā ʻōpio. Aloha ʻoe, pua ka ʻilima.